YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and we're back for part 2 of a Smarter Home Summer Edition. If you're not familiar with this type of video, this is a video where I talk about the newest, latest, and greatest smart home tech that I'm actually using in my house. Coming up on this episode, we take a look at Philips Hue, a smart garage door opener by Chamberlain, and the Rachio smart sprinkler system. All this and more on the Smarter Home. This episode of A Smarter Home is powered by the Home Depot. Find out more in my links below. Let's kick the Smarter Home off with the Chamberlain Smart Garage Door. Chamberlain, you know, is the leader in garage doors. Not only are they super reliable and well known, they're also innovators. They gave us the MyQ, and this unit turned almost any garage door into a smart garage door. Now they're integrating it into their newest garage door openers. This opener is a 1/2 horsepower chain drive operated, which is strong enough to pick up your average garage door. Inside, it uses tri-band technology and gives the transmitter range up to 1,500 feet. But since it's smart, it comes with the Q-Tech built into it. And this lets you control your garage door and also check the status of it via an app. In the app, if you have more than one garage door, you'll see multiple garage doors, or if you're just a simple dude like me and have one garage door, you'll just see your garage door in here. And it's extremely simple to use. You literally tap on your garage door. Now, once you tap on it, it takes a few seconds, but then it actually starts to work on your garage door. And this can work no matter where you're at in the world. Another cool thing that I like is that it actually tells you how long the garage has been open or closed at the very bottom. So if you look at your status and the garage door is open, you can figure out how long it's been open for. To take things up a notch, you can set alerts and schedule. So if your garage door has been open for a specific amount of time, it can send you a push notification or even an email. There's also some schedules too, so you can have it open your garage door at a certain time when, kids come home from school or anything like that. You do have options as far as what you want to do and customize your experience. Built in, it does have integration for Wink and also Nest. So for example, you can do things like when you're no longer at the house, it can make sure your garage is closed, or if you open your garage, it would change your smart thermostat to say that you're home. It also has deeper integration with some of the smart home items like Google Home and also Amazon Echo. Now that is $1 a month or $10 a year, and with that you have access to your smart home, and also if you have a Tesla, you can integrate to the Tesla ecosystem. But overall, this is going to be the best way you can access your garage and make it smart. Chamberlain has been the leader in garage doors, and they're the leader when it comes to smart garage doors too. Next up is the Philips Hue Ambience A19 LED light. If you ever wanted smart bulbs but you don't want to pay for all those fancy colors, this is your solution here. This pack retails for around $40, and although they're technically not a colored bulb, they can change up to 50,000 shades of white. And this gives you the ability to pick the perfect tone or the perfect hue for whatever your circumstances. Do you like your lighting a little bit cooler, or do you like it a little bit warm? You can fine tune that perfect setting right in this app. There is something to note about Philips Hue bulbs, that they actually do require a hub, but if you already have a hub, this is a great plug and play solution. But if you don't have a hub already, then you actually need to get a hub for it to work. But once you have your hub, that's all you need. There's no subscription to use the service. And this hub gives you connectivity, so you can use it away from the house or actually in the house. There's other smart bulbs on the market that don't use a hub, but at the same time, connectivity can be a little bit shaky when you're away from the house. The Philips app also had a major facelift, which makes this app really fun to use. From the responsive menus to the colors in the menus, it just makes it for a nice user experience. You can also control your lights with your voice via Google Home or Amazon Echo. So if you want to get some smart bulbs in the house, perfect for bedroom lamps and side tables, hit the link down below. Up next is the Rachio smart sprinkler system, and this right here is one of my dad's favorite pieces of tech. This not only automates your sprinkler system, but it makes it smart. So it lets you make schedules and routines for it to water your grass. It also allows for up to 8 different zones, so you know which ones you're turning on at all times. You want to give a little bit more water to your flowers and a little bit less to this grass over here, you can just do it right in the app. One of the best features is that if you have it set to run and it's actually going to rain, it would notify you that it's going to cancel the watering for the day if the rain is going to be sufficient. This saves on your water bill and it could pay for itself over time. Installation took around 10 minutes. You just remove your old box and then use these wirings to put into the Rachio system, and everything is built right into the app. Once it's installed, you can now control your sprinklers from anywhere in the world, and this runs for $229. And that's everything we have for this edition of the Smarter Home powered by the Home Depot. If you have any questions, leave it down below. My name is Kevin the Tech Ninja. I cover everything from the smartphone to the smart home. I'll talk to you guys later.
KTTN, say it again. Tell a friend that it's him again. Yo, real talk, opinions gon' be sharper than 4K. Scope squad, eat it up, simmer it, saute. Ninja got reviews and rants galore. You ain't never seen a channel like this before. No hashtag.